Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to filter coins right here on DEX Screener. And right now we are here on the meme coin list, so we will find right here all the meme coins and look how much meme coins they have, 140,000. But let's say we want to filter them. Then what we're going to do is we select right here filters, and then first we select here all platforms. Right now we can select which platform we want to filter, and if you want to filter all the platforms, then it's fine. So then we click on the cross, and now you can fill in right here a lot of information to filter your meme coins. So we can say we want a market cap of 100k, a max market cap. You can find here a lot of options that you can fill in, and then once you do apply, you will search all the coins with or filters. So this is how you can filter the coins on DEX Screener. If you have any questions about this, please comment down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.